Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be changing the spark plugs on my e46 BMW. Super simple. You basically pull off the motor cover, pull off the coils, pull out the plugs, put new plugs in, done. So we're going to go over that right now and let's get to it. So to change your spark plugs, first thing you have to do is you have to pull off this cover. So you pull off this tab right here. And you take off two nuts which are holding this cover on. You loosen both up. Like that. Then you remove your oil cap. Now you can pull off this cover. And I always go ahead and put the oil cap back on for safety. Don't get anything in your oil, in your head, or your valve cover. So that's to the side. The next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna pull out all your coils. So right here you can see you have one coil here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You pull them all out. To do that, so there's like a little cap right here, so you just lift up this little plug and it pushes out the connector. Doing all of them. Just unconnect them all. Have it all disconnected, and then you'll just go ahead and pull them out. Just like that. So your coil is. I'll set them like that, just in line on there, just in line with where they came out, because you want to place them all back into the spot that they came out of. Line up all your coils, and now let's go ahead and take out the plugs. Alright, so now we got all the plugs out. We'll go ahead and put the new plugs in, put the coils back on, plug them back in, put the cover back on, and we're done. All the plugs back in, coils back in. Only goes one way in because the gasket fits on. You plug them in as follows. Before you leave them, because if they're not pressed all the way in, then obviously they're not any contact enough. But they pretty much just pop in. Plugs are in, coils are in. Let's put this fancy cover back on. And remove that cap again. This will slide right onto that cap. And then there's two studs this cover lines up onto. Maybe if we get too far, put the cap back on. Put your nut on. So that's how I change the spark plugs on e46 BMW. Super simple, super easy. I just pull a cover off, pull the coils out, pull the plugs out, place them all, place the coils, cover back on. Super simple, super easy. So thanks for watching, and have a good rest of your day.